Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new to my channel, I am simplikeii. So I do not know how the lighting is in here because y'all, I went, okay, Charlotte Russe is going out of business. I went and bought a whole clothing rack. You think I'm lying? I'm gonna show y'all real quick. And it's blocking my window. So I don't know how this gonna come off. So bear with me, okay? All right, so I am going to first do I got a couple of videos to get out, but this one is going to be a what's on my nails video. So I was inspired by Pinterest. I seen a cute green color combo that I was like, okay, we're going into spring. I think this would be really cute. And I was going to do it for St. Patrick's for the month of March, but they couldn't find the green that I wanted. So I opted for something that was still spring, and it can be a color going into April as well, because I won't get my nails done again until the middle of April. So I'll be getting my nails ready for still spring. So there'll still be some type of spring color, but I thought this would be cute going into April as well. So yeah, here we go. So we did a pink glitter. I'm not allowed to have all these different designs on my nails anymore, which I never really been that girl anyway, kind of, sort of. So I'm really into the ombre kind of effects, or the French tips and stuff like that, or the, you know, something ombre-ish. And I just thought this was really cute. Everybody that's seen my nails says how cute this is. And I'm a little late because my nails are 2 weeks old and they still, hold on, if I could still look good. That is 2 weeks of me having my nails done. I'm trying to get it to focus. Okay, let's see for the focus right there. There we go. That's 2 weeks of me having my nails done. So yes, my person that did my nails this time is Tiffany. Although I think I'm gonna just start going to Lena. Tiffany does awesome, but Tiffany be so booked. I think I'm gonna just keep with Lena, because Lena does awesome work. She's like right there with Tiffany. They're like right there with each other. And she's really good at her craft. So yes, that is what's on my nail. Really simple, really getting ready for spring. Never thought I would do like a pink glitterish nail, but I did, and I think it's really, really cute. Like I said, I've been getting tons of compliments on my nails. So yeah. All right, I'm finna get out of here. I know I did not bring you guys a February what's on my nails. So I'm sorry about that, but I'll show you right here what they looked like. Just a cute purple glitter. I'm really getting into glitters. I don't know why. Don't ask me why. I can't tell you why, but I'm really getting into the glitter type thing. So yes, I'm finna get out of here. Remember, if nobody told you you were beautiful, remember, simplikeii is always gonna tell you beautiful because you simply are. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.